that sucks.
Damn, he was feeling good
maximum
too.
destruction.
Look, honey.
There you see it.
Oh,
Looks
he
harmless.
was feeling so good.
Once that truck bounced up on the right, and then Christensen trying to make too tight of a turn. Over she went. High center of gravity. That high center of gravity really working against him that time. And he got her down after 24 seconds. We'll see what we have as far as the score.
What'd you think about that run?
And it is not good. It's a
Ty, what'd you think about that run?
2 and a 1. Usually that's followed by liftoff, but in this case, it just adds up to a 6. So Christensen and maximum.
Ty, what'd you think about that run? What was your score? What was your score, Cody?
Craig's going to have to try to do his a little bit better.
Dickle.
Events that he has on the remaining schedule for 2009. Meanwhile, the traveler who is Lindsey Wink has come back over here to the hot seat. Let's go get a word from him. He worked his way up into the 200s now. You're going to uncharted territory up there to meet some 200 fans.
You don't look mad.
Only fans here, no matter what they pay for tickets, no matter what. Everyone here is a diehard fan.
This is a loud place, Cody.
Find a higher up, find a diehard
There's
fan.
a difference between being
Another going to meet you down at our
and
autograph
mean,
sessions
and there's
coming up. Our Monsters
a
on Main
difference
Street
between
autograph
being
sessions
fucking
going to be
average.
happening in gates B and D following that. You get a chance to meet more fans like you
You're
did
the
today.
only one that's worried about people looking. You need to loosen it up and have a little.
That chick has major issues.
No shit.
Hey,
I've been telling you that for years.
this is called split ends.
Cody, this is called
Those nails don't look right. They're too fat.
getting your ass choked up by a girl.
Family love.
This is called a knucklehead.
But where he's at, but hey, I'm so pumped to be here. Beautiful weather.
This is called a
beautiful
joke.
show.
This is called a knucklehead by your mama.
Guys, anyway, I had a great time.
All right, there he is. You're going to meet him afterwards. Our Monsters on Main Street autograph session going to be happening at gates B and D. Lindsey Wink is the driver of the Blue Thunder, and he sits right here comfortably right now. He's got that 29 and just.
We'll close it on that note, okay? Over and out. Monster Truck, February 21st, 2009. Nigga.